Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we're going to learn how to create a video from your media files in the Wix Harmony Editor. Let's get started. Go to the Wix drop-down on the top left, and from here, go to Media Manager. On this window, make sure that you're in the Site Files tab. Select the image or the images that you want to make a video of. If you want to select multiple images, click on the first image, hold the Control button on your keyboard, and then continue selecting all the other images that you want to create a video of. Once you're finished selecting, click on Create a Video here on the right side of the window. Another window will open. Here, input your opening text, your second text, your third text, and finally your closing text. Once you're done, review everything. Once everything's all good, click on Next. Now it's time for us to choose a video style. You can choose from the ones that are here. Apart from that, on the right side of the window, you'll also get to choose your preferred layout and set your font colors. Once you're done setting these things up, click on Next. And now it's time for you to choose a track. Feel free to choose a track from here. You could also use the filter tool to filter what type of music you're looking for. Or alternatively, if you want to simply not just use any track or music, you can click on this toggle button. So toggle this on to keep your music off. Once that's done, click on Next. And now it's time to work on your business info. So if you haven't set up your logo yet, click here and use your logo. Now set up your business name here, your website address, phone number, additional info, and business tagline. If you want to include these info at the end of your video, just toggle this button on. Turning this option on will allow your site visitors to see these info at the end of your video. So once everything is ready, click on Apply and Preview and wait for it to finish loading. All right, once it's done loading, you'll have the option to preview it. So click on Play. Sometimes there are things that need to be changed. In that case, click on Back to Editing to continue to work on it and fix things. Or if you're happy with it, click on Save and Share over here. Once finished, your video will be saved in Wix Harmony's Media Manager, or alternatively, you can also download the video or share it to these platforms, Facebook, YouTube, and Vimeo. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.